Maintaining PowerBuilder applications and need to work with PBC compiled script files? These contain compiled application logic for PowerBuilder development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these PowerBuilder compiled script files in your enterprise development workflow. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PBC data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A PBC file is associated with Appeon PowerBuilder, an integrated development environment for building business applications. It contains compiled script or library information used by the application at runtime. Developers encounter this file as part of the build process, while end users rarely interact with it directly. The PBC file stores compiled bytecode or metadata in a proprietary binary format. This precompiled structure was designed for performance, allowing the PowerBuilder runtime to load and execute application logic more efficiently than interpreting source code. It also abstracts the source code, protecting intellectual property. The most common, market-leading program for PBC is Appeon PowerBuilder from Appeon Inc. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows identifies the script as text, but its functionality depends on a matching runtime. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your PBC file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Appeon PowerBuilder. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If your PBC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening in PowerBuilder IDE. Launch PowerBuilder IDE and open the parent application or library containing the PBC file. The IDE loads associated compiled scripts automatically with the project. Use the system tree to browse compiled objects and view source code through the integrated decompiler and editor interface for code review and modification. Next, recompiling from source. Locate the original PBL or PBT source files in your project repository and use PowerBuilder to recompile, generating fresh PBC files. This ensures compiled scripts match current source code and incorporates any platform updates. Maintain version control of source files since PBC files cannot be easily modified directly. Finally, deploying with applications. Include PBC files in your PowerBuilder application deployment package alongside the executable and runtime libraries. Configure the application's library list to reference compiled scripts for runtime loading. Proper deployment ensures all compiled application logic is available during execution, preventing runtime errors in production environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.